everyone, welcome back. I got my order in from the one-legged witchy woman. She was on a multi-vendor sale on Aaron in the Adirondacks channel. And you know, I have come to determine that, I forgot to cover the address, these sales are really detrimental to your bank account. But man, you get some good deals and some good buys. So yeah, I think I'm kind of hooked to the multi-vendor sales now. I had started doing multi-vendor sales on YouTube for the eBay sellers and really liked it, and then, man, whew. But look at the bright side. You don't have to go out. You don't have to get out of your pajamas. You don't have to go out shopping, nothing. It's all right here. So, let's see what did I purchase in her sale. And this little bag is heavy. I wonder if she stuck herself in here. Okay, let me see if I can get this open without cutting anything. Maybe I should use scissors. What do you think? Yeah, that might be a smarter idea, Kathy. I mean, it's wedged in here. She's got it back. So, I do know... Oh, cute. She put a little thank you card in here, which will go in my... Oh, this is made by Malia. Okay, this is made by Malia. This is... No, I'm sorry. This came from Malia. Oh, I am so sorry. This came from the Cchadwick Rose, Malia. Darn it. I told Laura I got her package in. I didn't get yours yet, Laura. Man, this is heavy. And it's stuck to something. It is stuck. I don't know what it's stuck to, but I'm going to get it out of here. There we go. Ooh. So, what should I... Heavens to Betsy, what on earth did I buy from Malia? Oh. Why is it stuck? Okay. I think the bag's sealed up on it or something. I don't know. So, this is from the lovely Malia, who is the Cchadwick Rose on, let's see, guys, y'all need to check her shop out. She's got some good bags. Ooh, junk journal kits. Oh yeah, I think this is the, cookbook one. I think I bought 2 cookbook ones. I've never made a cookbook journal yet, and I think it's about time. Ooh, Velveeta. Never ate it a day in my life. Never even tasted it. Oh, look at that old packaging. So it's kind of coming apart, so I'll get some vintage tape and put on it. Craft Cookery. Cool. Who puts mayonnaise in Jello molds? Ugh. I remember these dinners. I liked them back in the day, in the olden days. Now, I am really surprised to see this sliced Kraft cheddar cheese in this vintage book, because you know what? Until recently, I had never seen it a day in my life. And it makes the best grilled cheese sandwiches, guys. Who puts mayonnaise in? I don't do mayonnaise, guys. Mayonnaise in Jello. Brrr. Metropolitan Cookbook. Wow. Hey, I might actually learn how to make something. Look at all these recipes. Holy cow. Food keeping tips. I probably should have read this when I was in my teens, but I didn't. Cool. Maybe I'll get some tips. Miscellaneous plants. 1921. Looks like it's saying Leaconville, North Carolina? I don't know. Spin Cookery. Osterizer Blender Cookbook. Spin Cookery. That tells you how old this is. Look at that. They got a blender in there and they're calling it Spin Cookery. Nowadays we don't live without our blenders, do we? Holy cow. Hey, maybe I'll do some cooking. Ooh, does that have cannons? Yes, it does. Jams. I love making homemade jams. I do. Oh, wow. Maybe I'll find some new ones. Raw cranberry relish. Yes. I love cranberry relish. Green pepper jelly. Corn relish. Pete loves that. Okay, I'm getting a little sidetracked here, but wow. Look at all this stuff. There's a Jello mold. I wonder if it has mayonnaise in it. You know, look. Cucumber mousse. I think that's good. Cranberry dream salad. Spinach salad. I love spinach. Guacamole. Lime cheese spread. If I see mayonnaise in all through this stupid cookbooks, I'm going to be picked. Oh, look at the little, and look at the cards. Aren't they cute? I'm going to put some of my mom's recipes, my dad's recipes on these. Cool. All kinds of different recipe cards. Aww. Christmas recipe cards. There's a ton of recipe cards in it. These vintage book pages. Condensed directions for using the savory roaster. Oatmeal cookies. Love me some oatmeal cookies. Pecan pie. That's my son's favorite. Oh, look at there. Foreign dishes. Bean salad. Creamy coleslaw. Cabbage cucumber salad. Well, it's not all here, dagnabbit. Oh, cool. Lima bean and celery salad. No. I'm just going to say no. Ooh, cheese balls. Oyster stew. Cream of potato soup. Wow, look at all these pages. Really, they're going to give you a recipe on how to cook a hot dog? I've probably been doing it wrong my whole life, but hey. Meal planning and nutrition. And this is a little index card there. Raised rolls. Oh my goodness, this is another. Look at that. On that same one. It just fell back down. Okay, let's see. Swans down waffles, banana waffles. Ooh, cool. Bread as you like it. I've never learned how to make bread. Would love to. Ooh, another index to pies. If you don't have this, bacon substitutes. How cool is that? If you don't have 1/2 cup of firmly packed brown sugar, you can use 1/2 cup of sugar mixed with 2 tablespoons of molasses. Who knew? Okay, all y'all did because y'all cook. Oh, these are cool. Oh, I'm going to have to copy these. This is great. I love these. Okay, the next part, I'm going to have to find something to put all of this in together. So here's another cookbook one. I'm not going to open this one right now and go through it, but it just shows you it's basically the same kind. Oh yes, it's got these two. Then I got, I don't even know why I grabbed this one. Yes, I did. It was for this part. These are sheets of index cards. like label index cards, but you know, it's just an index card. But look at the size of these bad boys. These are good size index cards, guys. So those would be good to alter. And I got 2 of these packs. And it has some tickets in it, claim checks, library cards, guest checks, alteration tags, and repair tags. And a layaway. Wow. Do they still have layaways? Oh, this is cool. This is perforated tag. You could make a box if you wanted to, but hey, this is really cool. And another claim ticket. Some regular tickets. Library cards. Price tags. Wow. A lot of stuff in here. These are cool. I love making these. Oh, man. I just ordered about 200 library cards. I wish I'd have waited now. Sold tags. More claim checks. And MW Food Mart. How cool is this? North Bridge Street, Eden, North Carolina. How cool is this? And look, it's got your little list here. So if you're doing this, put these in a planner. You got your list right here of 15 things you need to do that day. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So thank you, Malia. I will definitely use everything in here. Some of it will go in Happy Mail because I already have it. But the rest of it that I don't have, I am thrilled to get. And that's the good thing about, you know, when you buy kits like this, if you have some of it, you can share it with others. And you get just the right amount that you need for projects you want to work on without ending up having to buy a box of 100 of them. So this is cool. I am happy with everything I got. I can't wait. I've got journals stacking up behind me now that I need to make. I'm looking forward to finally getting those caught up and then doing the cookbook with. Wonder should I just do one giant cookbook? That would be really cool. There's 2 kits here that would make a huge cookbook journal. We'll see. Stay tuned. It'll come up sooner or later. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.